Hi everybody, my name is Adeline Ray Daniel. You're going to be learning about making graphics.
Hi everyone, this is Autumn Daniel. I'm going to be showing you around the Home Office Branding Facebook group and just walking you through a couple of the basics about what is allowed and what is not allowed when you're making graphics. So if you just scroll down a little when you get here, you're going to find the branding guide. You can also download this in your back office. And I'm just going to walk you through each page. So it's just hello, why we brand, what does branding do, why we need it. What's in a name? The big thing is when you are writing Usborne Books and More, you're using that and symbol, and that UBAM is just for consultants only, internal communication only, so that cannot be on any type of graphics. If you need some other type of name, this is where you can find what's appropriate to use. A tagline is this line under here, open a world of possibilities, and it's just kind of like what's associated with our company. You're going to be using logos that do not say this. You're going to be using ones that have a tagline of independent consultant, and we're going to talk about that in a minute. So here are the two options that you are permitted to use when you are making graphics. You may only use the independent consultant or the educational consultant depending on which one applies to you and the audience of your graphic. So again, here are the options. Here are the two that you are permitted to use. When you are using your logos, they need to be colored either the purple or the black. You can also reverse them out if you're able to do that. You can use a white logo on what that means is use a white logo on a solid color background. Here are some size recommendations as to how big it can be on your graphics. This is an example of the things that you're not allowed to do. You cannot use a white background logo on a solid color background. Okay, so if this was the situation, I would need to use a transparent logo, which we'll talk about here in a little bit. We'll use a transparent logo, and that way this white space would be orange so that it matches. You can also never enlarge just part of it or stretch it to be a width or height. It needs to be larger or smaller proportionally. You cannot change the colors of the logo, nor can you squish it. You cannot alter where the location of the books are, and you can never change the fonts. The font for the logo must always be the one that Home Office provides. So that's just a really quick overview of what you cannot do with the logo. This is our color palette, and these are the branded colors that Usborne has agreed to. And on Microsoft Publisher, I use this red, green, blue code here to make sure that they match. It's not really a guessing game as to how close it is or anything like that. These are the acceptable fonts, and you should have already saved these as part of one of the pre-tasks to this training, but you will also see that Alio and ClickerScript are what I use in Microsoft Publisher and is also what is programmed into Canva, which you will see later. Home Office does provide us with banners, allows us to use dotted lines, gives us a dotted wave, and also a striped ribbon that we can use as part of making our graphics. And there's a couple little frequently asked questions. So that walks you through the branding guide. If you have any questions about this, comment below and we will get that taken care of for you. Have a great day.
Hi everybody, I hope you learned more.